Well, the Sunnah method is that once Dhul Hijjah starts, one does not cut any hair and one does not cut nails until the sacrifice is complete. So when you come to know that the Dhul Hajj is starting, the month of Dhul Hajj, wherever you are in the world, cut your nails quickly and trim your hair or your beard, so that when Dhul Hajj starts, for the first these 10 days or whatever day until you perform the sacrifice, till that day, be part of this by not cutting nails and hair. And of course, on the 9th of Dhul Hajj, the day of Arafah, do also take part in that great day by keeping a fast. By fasting on that day, the reward is so huge, great reward, for forgiveness for all the sins even. Do not miss, if you can keep it, try not to miss that fast. Also, from the Fajr Salah, right after Fajr Salah of the 9th of Dhul Hajj, the day of Arafah, till the 13th of Dhul Hajj, Asr prayer, perform the takbirat. Once you have done with the salah, you should form the takbirat, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, Wallahu Akbar, Walillahi alhamd, so that we are also part in a little way of the Hajj. So may Allah accept the Hajj of the Hujjaj who are there, and may Allah accept our prayers for being there too.